Next we can see associative property. So what are the associative property? So first we can see associative property of union. A union into B union C is equal to A union B into union C. No, A union into B union C as a going time A union B into union C. Next associative property of intersection. A intersection into B intersection C is equal to A intersection B into intersection C. So associative property of union, associative property of intersection. In this two way we can find various sums. So we can, so example 1.20, so one question given A, B and C also given. So you have to verify associative property of intersection. In the same question, associative property of union also you can find. Union also you can find. So you can try that. So I am finding associative property of intersection. So what is the A set, what is the B set, what is the C set? So you can consider the given. So what you have to find? So what is the LHS? So take. So what is the LHS? A intersection B intersection C. No, A intersection into B intersection C. So first you have to find inside bracket what the B intersection C you have to find first. So what is the B intersection C? So what is the set of B? We can check here. 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. Intersection. What is the set of C? Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1, 2, 5 by 2. No. So intersection means it contains common elements. So what are the common? We can check here. 1 by 4, 1 by 4 common now. So 1 by 4. Next 2 common. Then 5 by 2, 5 by 2 also common. Now 5 by 2, 5 by 2 also common. So 5 by 2. Take. So then after that we can find. In this full we can find now. So A intersection into B intersection C. So what is the set of A? So minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, intersection B intersection C. So we found now that you have to take. So 1 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. No. So intersection means it contains common element. So what are the common elements? Check it. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4 common. Then next common what? 2 common. 2 common. No. So 1 by 4 comma 2. This is our consider equation number 1. You can consider equation number 1. Then take the RHS. Take the RHS. What is the RHS? A intersection B into intersection C now. So A intersection B into intersection C. So first you have to find inside bracket what there. So A intersection B you have to find. So what is the A intersection B? What is the A intersection B? So what is the set of A? So here given now. So minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2. Intersection. What is the set of B? 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. No, 5 by 2. So intersection means it contains common elements. So what are common? 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 0, 0 also common now. 0, 0 also common. So 0, 0 common and 1 by 4, 1 by 4 also common. Then 3 by 4, 3 by 4 also common. Then 2, 2 also commonly there. Now, so then we can find A intersection B, intersection C, we can find. So A intersection B, intersection C. So what is the A intersection B? We found now that you have to take. So 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, comma 2, intersection. So what is the set of C? What is the set of C? Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1, 2 5 by 2. 2 5 by 2. So intersection means it contains common element. Now, so what are the common? You can check here 1 by 4, 1 by 4 common. Next common element 2 common. Now, so 1 by 4 and 2. This is your consider equation number 2. So compare equation 1 and 2. So equally there. Equation 1 equal to equation 2. So therefore equation 1 equal to equation 2. So also verified. A intersection into B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection